Hi everyone, today we're going to be making a light chicken stock. I don't know if you tuned into our roast chicken video the other day, but in that I mentioned that we'll use the bones of the roast chicken to make a light stock. We're going to use the bones of the roast chicken another day and we'll make up a little bit of a light stock. Perfect, don't throw things away. And all we need is we got the thermomix, so just switch that on. And like I said, we've got the backbone that we took out of the back of the chicken when we butterflied it. And we're just gonna load all these things into the rice basket. We've got the carcass left over that we've picked away like vultures. Just pop that in there. There was a little wing left over as well. And then what I've got is just as if you're making any sort of stock, we need to flavor it up. So we're just going to pack in 1 carrot, shut that fridge, pack in a carrot that we've just cut up into pieces that can fit into there, half an onion. I've left the skins on because that just gives it a little bit more color in there. We've got some celery, a stick or so. Just pop that into here. Some leek. It's like a little puzzle. And I'm gonna just, a tomato, half a tomato, whatever will fit in here. And some sprigs of parsley. We'll just pop in there like that. And some black peppercorns. Okay, and now we're gonna go here. And I wanna slow cook this. So what I'm going to do is we're gonna pop the lid on, so that just fits in there. We're going to put this into here. I want to slow cook this for about 2 hours at just under boiling point, because I don't want this frothing and bubbling around, because that'll make the stock a bit cloudy. And so what I'm going to use as a feature is a slow cook feature on this one. And I've just gone to the chickpea recipe and gone right to the end where it's showing us 2 hours at 98 degrees on a slow cook. We're going to just go out of here for a sec because I want to get the scales, and we want to add in about 1.5 liters of some water. Pop that into there. Okay. And we'll pop the lid on. Get out of here, and we'll turn it on. And now we're just gonna let that go for, like I said, 1.5 hours. We'll go for 2 hours because what we really want to do is try to bring a lot of flavor into that stock. It doesn't make a lot, but it's better than just throwing things away like that roast chicken. You know, you could easily make a big pot of chicken stock, but I like just being able to sort of throw it in and go off and do something else. So we'll come back in a couple of hours and we'll show you what we've got. So here we are, we're just counting down. I like the little green line around the timer that shows that we're probably about 5 seconds, 4 seconds, 3, 2, 1, and there we go. 2 hours is done. Our chicken broth, chicken stock is complete. And just stop that. And we'll take this out now. So just put the spatula hook into there and just carefully move it in here. Swap that over. And there's all our aromatics in there. They've done all their work. We're just going to sort of press down, get any more of the chicken stock out of it before we strain it out. So this is just a great little recipe for using up leftover bits of chicken, the roast chicken that we had the other day. We're gonna get about 1.5 liters. Okay, it's not a lot. You're not gonna be making like heaps to freeze as you would in a big pot or whatever, but it's a perfect amount if you want to use some fresh homemade chicken stock for a soup. Perfect for a risotto. What I like about doing the slow cook, and it's just sort of slowly simmering away at 98 degrees, you're gonna get this really nice, clear sort of broth. And if you want to filter it anymore, you can put it through some muslin. So there we have it. our chicken stock, slow cooked chicken stock TM6. Pop that into there. Thanks for joining us. If you have any questions or want to write us or email us, just get online and we look forward to hearing from you. Enjoy.